Hi, my name is Sophia, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program before actually buying the program. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program works. The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program is not a replacement of any drug or surgery but helps in the treatment faster. It cures the problem completely by reducing the stressors that cause you to snore. The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program comes in the form of an easily downloadable ebook. You can download the entire ebook in the form of a PDF. The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program comprises some easy and effective snoring exercises that you could do without too much noise. Most people who take up this program read the ebook thoroughly and follow the exercises for 3 weeks report that their snoring is gone. The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program treats the root cause of snoring, blocked and narrowed breathing passages. This solution works to treat the root cause of sleep apnea at the same time. The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program prevents diseases that can happen due to snoring and sleep apnea. The simple exercises are extremely easy and can be performed even by beginners. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program, and you can have results as well. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program, and also, if you do buy the product, enjoy all the wealth of information, take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this program promotes.